Accounting and bookkeeping platforms versus invoice management tools. Which one is better for SMEs? Many small business owners think that sending invoices is enough to stay on top of finances, but the surprising truth is that accounting and bookkeeping platforms and invoice management tools serve very different purposes, and choosing the right one can save time and money. Accounting and bookkeeping platforms, like QuickBooks or Xero, offer a comprehensive view of finances. They handle bookkeeping, reconcile accounts, track expenses, and generate financial statements. For example, SMEs can see cash flow trends, monitor profit margins, and prepare accurate tax reports in real time. Invoice management tools like FreshBooks or Zoho Invoice focus specifically on creating, sending, and tracking invoices. They simplify payment reminders, recurring invoices, and client billing. For instance, a freelance business can automate monthly invoices and receive alerts when payments are overdue. Which is better for SMEs? If your goal is overall financial management, tracking profitability, and maintaining compliance, accounting platforms are essential. If your priority is streamlining invoicing and ensuring timely payments, invoice management tools are critical. Many SMEs combine both. Accounting platforms provide a holistic financial view, while invoice tools handle day-to-day billing efficiently. The key takeaway: financial health depends on both strategy and execution. The surprising truth is that integrating accounting and invoice management ensures us have clear insights into cash flow, faster payments, and less administrative overhead, freeing business owners to focus on growth.